Dead.
Don't
Dead.
shoot, please, faster!
Thank you so much.
Congrats on the big relax.
Rest in peace to Screw, tonight we take it slowly. Yeah.
Yo guys, it's time, man. It's finally time. We're about to go to the workshop, man. I'm ready. I got my bag. I got the vlog going on, man. So man, anyways, I'm gonna keep this short. You know what I'm saying? Cause I want to keep I want to keep space on my camera. So we're gonna go there. All right. I'm gonna try to put as much footage as I can, man, because I have my iPhone and it's like a 32 or 16 gigabyte phone. So we're gonna do that right now, man. Catch me at the workshop. All right, we about to get, man. Let's get it. Yo, I just got there. There's so many people. This is crazy. Like, they look mostly young. You know, they're waiting in line. So, yo, low-key, I'm kind of nervous though, but I'm excited at the same time. So definitely stay tuned, man. Like, I'm gonna try to have you guys' best footage. So stay tuned for that, man. It's so long. I've been waiting forever, man. There's so much people. When I pull up, the line was short, but look, that's how much people. And I just saw Larry pull up with the G-Wagon with black rims. And he had a chick with him, so my boy Larry, probably the girlfriend, I don't know. But anyways, catch up, guys.
It's just the way we do it, is we like a baby. We don't think. When you play music for baby, baby follow. Right? They don't care about what you think. Doogie, nene, that. They don't care. You just do it. And what are your reaction about baby dancing? Yeah. Why? Because they freaking love themselves. When you guys dance, you don't love yourself enough to me to love them. Because even me, I cannot tell you you love me.
Don't lie to you, God will punish you.
I got choosing opinion, moi. I'm good.
The only workshop we did here in Montreal, you know how Montreal welcome us here? We did a workshop, so we came here to do a workshop. And the full house came, and they're going to take a workshop with 2 bottles of us.
Oh, that was nice.
So it was the workshop, it was the world.
Get up,
And reading on the real, they closed the door.
Get the phone! Et dans la lumière!
And I was like, this, I was like, hey, this guy looks like a guy. And we sound like, all right, stretch it. Like, I think we're not going to stretch together. So, and we started bottle everybody, everyone. And besides, when we dance, we don't need judge, you know? We don't need judge. We don't want judge for. No, so it was nice. Really nice experience of sur le guet-apens.
Je sais pas c'est quoi un guet-apens, je connais pas cette affaire-là. En québécois. Maman! Dis-le québécois.
On vous adore, vous êtes un sketch. J'aime tout de vous. 99% makes sense. Good language. So.
Oh!
Je t'aime, Jake, mais toi, tu m'aimes pour de vrai. Vous n'êtes pas obligé de venir avec le péché. Vous n'êtes pas obligé de respecter tout ça, non, c'est pas ça. J'adore le Québec, c'est juste que. Voilà, comme on dit. Hey, attends, tu parles l'artiste bas. On va faire 2 heures de cul, on s'en fout. What? 2 heures 5 heures. Voilà. J'ai peur. C'est de l'amour là. Moi, ce que je veux dire, c'est que Quand on dit quelque chose, il y a beaucoup de gens qui nous demandent qu'est-ce qu'on dit, de quoi on parle. Alors que c'est le français. Moi, je ne suis pas calice ou tabou. Je ne dis pas ça. Alors maintenant, on va se caler quelque part, on va caler. C'est-à-dire, on va se poser, et là, on va discuter dans, tu vois. There's nobody like this in my class. There's no competition. Everybody's the same. So everything I do, you do like me or better than me. Straight up. Let's go. Stand up.
Team Larry, Team Larry. Team Larry.
It has to be so natural. You got what I'm saying? Let's do it.
Screw hard, man. Screw hard. It's hard as fuck. Damn. The choreography's not that hard, but
10 seconds!
Larry, man, Larry's a killer in real life, man. Just saying.
I know how much I'm so lucky to be here. Let's. Do you know what? I keep on dancing with you. Whatever I did. Michael Jackson, Beyonce, Dr. Dre. Champion the world many times. I'm doing movie. I'm doing something. I know where my place have to be. And people told me like, why you keep on doing workshops? 5, 6. What? Is it the money? I'm real. I'm real. And to the day that I can still give it, and I can dance again and again, and my feet want to dance. I'm not gonna play this in my penthouse and dance by myself. I'm gonna do a workshop with my babies and give them, because maybe the next generation is gonna take my place. So I want you to give. Who told you you're not gonna be the next Beyonce or the next Jay-Z? From Montreal, what's up? Yeah. You can be anybody you want. I prove them how mine was. I prove them who I am for real. I can't lie. When someone tells me something else and acting like they're bigger than me, I have to pull them in this place and be like, you know what? It's sad because there's a new generation's coming behind us. You better flip out. You better flip out. Alright? So now, give me some love.
We ain't playing with y'all niggas, man, you heard? Playing with y'all niggas, man, you heard? I'm saying gonorrhea, all that shit. I catch all diseases in the world so the world won't have no more diseases, you feel me? Yeah, he's so much. Yeah. About the city I'm from, smoking, be the home of the hardest ever. Yeah, the niggas don't they just palm berettas and palm whatever. And we don't want to call me never. This why my niggas trap themselves like salmonella. Look, I can do this shit with no effort, no pressure, no giving shit, no radio records. Just text with a rockstar with the raw texture. Punchlines like hooks, now that's a trifecta. No more reactions, I'm texting these niggas actions. Just the promo for rappers, he's back in your sector. About the city I'm from, Brooklyn, be the home of the hardest ever. Yeah, the niggas don't aim, they just palm berettas and palm whatever. And we don't want to call me never. That's why my niggas trap themselves like salmonella. Look, I can do this shit with no effort, no pressure, no giving shit.
Nice and quiet for the last world of my puppet. Guys, please, one second. I think you don't understand. But you kind of start to get it. You know when we come to class and tell you that we love you and you want to give more and more and more and more. I will never be tempted to give you more. Never. Really. You will always impress me. I will always impress you. It's a competition for life. More. Yeah, I've been taught for like an hour already to stop the workshop. It can't stop me.
Workshop and after party was lit. Lit. Super lit.
The biggest workshop I've ever seen in Montreal, studio-wise.
Yeah, the boy Larry.
Her ass is fat.
Anyways, man,
look down for
smash
1
the
second, bro.
subscribe button and give this vlog
It is
a
selfie
like.
stick. You look so blonde, white girl, dog. Oh my god, my selfie.
Dead.
Don't
Dead.
shoot, please, faster!
Thank you so much.
Congrats on the video lap. Take care.
What was that like a worldwide?
Show them. No, we're not kind of TV people.
Man, Lauren had to left early because he was injured. His knee was hurting. So, man, hopefully Lawrence get better. But what's up, guys, man? Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. It was an amazing experience. I'm not gonna talk for too long, alright, because I don't have that much space on my phone. So thank you guys for the subscribers that recognized me and came and talked to me. You guys are amazing. I took some pictures of with some of y'all. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate the love. And I finally met the I'm kind of upset that I didn't have time to talk with Lauren. Okay, but because he left early because his knee was injured, so he left before Larry. Larry stayed until like I think midnight. As you can see, like in the video, I left there almost at 1, and Larry was still there. So hopefully y'all enjoy the footage I have. I'm gonna be posting the after party, just footage, alright? It's not gonna be a vlog, just the freestyle footage, so I'm keeping that for the after party. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, give this video a like, and if y'all got questions, comment down below and I'll answer your questions because I don't want to make a long outro. So definitely stay tuned, alright, for the freestyle clips, and I'll be posting it.
Yo, check it out. What? Check it out. Check. Do. What? Beat. What? Count on. Check. What? Yeah.